I'm starting off today's DIY project with a Dollar Tree tray. I'm going to cut out the lip of this tray and then keep the middle part aside because I'm going to use that for this project too as well. I'm going to cut this into smaller pieces. And then with this shape here, I'm going to be making double of that and then joining it together and seeing if it fits. And when I get the exact size that I want, I'm going to glue them together with hot glue. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. I glued inside as well, and I made 2 of this. I'm going to take 1 sheet of Dollar Tree chopping mat and cut out the size that I'll need for this particular DIY. And I'm making a wall sconce, and I'm going to be cutting down this to the shape that would fit the pieces that I have. I'm going to take a Dollar Tree foam board and cut out a shape that I'll be needing for the support. I'm going to measure out where the pieces meet the foam board, mark them out, and then make holes there. I'm going to use hot glue to bury part of the piece here into the foam board. I'll do the same thing for the second piece. I'll be attaching a push light in the middle, and this is a remote control push light, and the link for this is going to be down in the description box below. Now I'm going to go ahead and attach the chopping mat. I'll be using the middle of the tray for pieces that I will need for this project. And I'm going to be drawing out lines and then cutting out strips that will be attached to the initial piece with different lengths. After I was sure of the length of the first piece that will be in the middle, I went ahead to cut out the other pieces 2 inches shorter, and I kept doing that on and on till I got to the shortest piece. I located the middle, and that's where the first longest piece is going to go. I'm using hot glue to attach the pieces to the foam board. I'll be covering up the sides that are open with bling wrap. The open spaces here are also going to be covered with bling wrap. I'm going to take a little quantity of the Dollar Tree Pebbles and take it outside and spray paint it silver. I'm going to spread this out first to make sure the spray paint goes through each and every one of the pebbles. This will be tricky to actually get them fully covered, so what I did was to wait for it to dry a bit, and then I'm going to be turning them over, spray painting it again, and then turning them over again. And I'm going to keep doing this until I'm sure that I have them fully covered. When they were dry, I took them in. They will be attached with Mod Podge, and I'll be applying Mod Podge to the mat with a brush. Now I'm going to do my best to have the mat fully covered with the pebbles. This is not dry yet, but then I'm going to go ahead to do some other things here with the project as it is drying. I'll be using mirror mosaic tiles and cutting them into strips that I will use for the design. After a few hours, I shook off the excess pebbles. I'll be mounting what I made on the wall with this, and I'll be attaching it at the back with hot glue. This looks nice the way it is, but then I know that this can definitely be much longer by having the same length that I have here at the bottom and adding the exact same thing at the top. So I went ahead to cut out more strips to add to the top. I do have leftover crystals from one of the chandeliers that was installed in the house, and I was just thinking of where I could use these, so I'm going to see if this looks good with this project. The difference is not much, but then when the light comes on, it definitely bounces off more light, which is what I want. I did put all the videos of when I had it just halfway full and with the crystals all side by side, so you guys can see which one you like best and which one you would like to try out in your homes. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button